In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make MetaTrader 5 Light Mode. If you prefer a brighter, cleaner look in your trading workspace, switching MetaTrader 5 to Light Mode is quick and straightforward. We'll handle this in two parts. First, we'll change the overall platform theme so menus and panels are light, and then we'll switch your chart background to a light color so everything matches. This works the same on Windows and Mac, though the screens might look slightly different. Start by opening MetaTrader 5. At the top of the platform, open the Color Themes menu. From the drop-down, choose Light. The change takes effect immediately, so your main dashboard, toolbars, and panels will switch to a light appearance right away. If your computer is already set to a light theme and you want MT5 to automatically follow that setting, select System instead. That way, MT5 mirrors your operating system's theme without you having to revisit this menu later. You'll notice that while the dashboard is now light, your active chart may still have a dark background. Charts use their own color scheme, so let's adjust that next. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the Context menu, then click Properties. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can press F8 to open the same window. In the Properties window, go to the Colors tab. Look for the Color Scheme option. Here, select either black on white or color on white. Black on white gives you a high contrast, crisp black text on white look that's great for readability. Color on white keeps the traditional colored candlesticks and indicators but places them on a white background. After you've made your choice, click OK to confirm. You'll see the chart update instantly to a light background, matching the rest of the platform. This makes it easier on the eyes if you prefer bright layouts, and it can also help when exporting screenshots or sharing your screen during calls, since white backgrounds often show details more clearly. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you're working in a bright room, the black on white option can provide excellent contrast. If you rely on color-coded indicators, color on white may help those stand out. And if you ever want to revert, just return to the same menus and choose your previous theme. That's it. Your MetaTrader 5 is now in light mode. With the platform theme set to light or system and your chart using a light color scheme, you'll have a bright, clean trading environment in just a few clicks.